In the past, Bakame fought with wolves. They fought each other, and they lived together in the past. But Bakame is saddened by the fact that the wolf is more than the economy. The next day, Bakame said to the wolf, "Let's trade skins, your economy will increase, and even lend you things to start, I will benefit." The wolf agrees. They start selling skins. After they multiply, they go to sell them abroad, and the profit is kept by Bakame. Bakame is rich in water. Business stopped, but the wolf didn't care. A few days later, Bakame came to Mpiasi's house and said, "Hello people from Mpiasi's house." The wolf said, "Yesterday Baka." Bakame is patient and continues to say, "I don't have my riches, they robbed us and left us nothing." When the wolf falls, it looks like it was struck by lightning. Bakame saw that the wolf was missing and tricked him, thinking that he would pay for it. Bakame digs the pond, raises the fish, and when they grow up, they go to catch the ones that cry. A month later the wolf went to collect Bakame's belongings. Bakame received it well, washed under the house, caught 10 fish, cooked them and removed the delicious meat, and approached the wolf. In a short time the wolf is hunting the deer. It ends by saying, "Where do you get such delicious things, Shahu Bakame?" Bakame got up and went to show him his pond, saying, "Go and dig like this, the fish will swim in it." When Warapisi reached his home, he did not tell me how he had climbed the mountain in a short space of time. After directing the water, he waits for the fish to come in, and he gives up. That's when she went to Bakame and was very angry. When it arrived, Bakame read it on the screen of the unseen. Remembrance of the past is thrown away. After tasting it very much, he said, "Mother, where did you get this from?" Bakame said, "If you have a whole finger, you will miss the honey wine. Go ahead and break all the breasts, put the dried fruit in another container, keep it in there for 3 weeks, and you will read it for yourself." The wolf went and did as Bakame told him. 3 weeks ago, it roared, and the tongue was broken, and the cows were broken. Anger killed it. It took the bag and Bakame didn't say hello. When he reached the road, he remembered that he had forgotten his bag at Bakame's, stopped, and ran back. "Nuriger will pass by the bag." Bakame said, "Hello Nuriger." He said, "You are still alive, Baka. What are you doing in that bag, Baka?" Bakame said, "You wouldn't know about me. Now they put me in this cage so that they can kill me. I command the beasts over there, that's why they have surrounded me. But I don't want to, but they don't understand. Try saying Shiu. Such a blessing. Let me join you if you don't want to." Bakame first scolded me, then said, "There I go, but you're making fun of me." The lady opens her bag, takes out Bakame, and dances in it. Bakame is not rejecting it. "I'm going to get you ready," he said. At that moment, the wolf comes and rips the bag open. He came around and said, "But now that it is so heavy, what is this thing for? It's useless, but I'm dreaming of you, that's when you lie to me. Try to hear the words leave the wolf, I'm not a Karn, I'll put it down and go." It howls loudly but the wolf doesn't listen, instead it answers that you are wrong, I don't know your mind, this is the last day. It even goes in the manga like poo. The bell rings only once, reaching the box before it burns. The next wolf is hoping that he is going to eat the fish of Bakarn and drink the honey wine. In the evening before he woke up, he found Bakarn lying on the edge of the pond where his fish was fishing. If there is a problem there, Bakame would have seen it. Bakarn said, "Warapisi, don't come near me, the undead like him shouldn't come near those from hell like me." The wolf is startled and realizes that Bakar has resurrected. He is scared and thinks that maybe he is stuck in the place where he died. I'm not the first to start a myth.